Hello friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Exam 4. In this video, we came with some more important GK questions which is related to Indian geography. So these questions will be very useful in competitive exams like SSC, bank exams and other similar exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question, which of the following statements is not correct? They have given 4 options. Please select the statement which is not correct and comment your answer in the comment section. And the answer is option 4. The primary consumers are called autotrophs. So this statement is not correct from the given list. Next question. What is the another name of Sahyadris? Select the correct answer from the given options. And the correct answer is Aravali. It is another name of Sahyadris. Next question. Which of the following is the highlights of Rally for Valley program in India? You can comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is option 4. Environmental degradation is the highlight for the Rally for Valley program in India. Next question. Which of the following region is famous for endangered Ridley turtles? Pick the correct answer from the given options. And the correct answer is Gahir Mata. This region is very famous for the endangered Ridley turtles. Next question. Which of the following is the oldest mountain range in India? And the correct answer is Aravalli Mountains. It is the oldest mountain range in India. Next question. Consider the following statement which are related to the geological structure of India. First option. Sedimentary rocks are found in the land which is formed by the deposition of sediments from which fertile soil is made. And second option. In the Jurassic period, Gondwana land was broke up into peninsular India, Madagascar, Australia and Antarctica. So now which of the above statement are correct? And the correct answer is option 1. Both 1 and 2 statement are correct. Next question. Which of the following country does not share the land boundary with India? You can comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is Tajikistan. It does not share their land boundary with India. Next question. Which of the following state is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer? And the answer is Odisha. It is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer. Next question. Which of the following related to the state of inactivity which is adopted by the desert animals during the hottest and driest season? Select the correct answer from the given options. And the correct answer is aestivation. It is related to the state of inactivity which is adopted by desert animals during the hottest and driest season. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct about biotic resources and abiotic resources? Here there are 4 options. Please read all the options very carefully and pick the correct answer from this list. And the correct answer is option 1. All the abiotic resources are non-renewable, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. So these are all about the Indian geography related questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.